Hello, welcome to our page. In this project, we have successfully executed the installation of an Active LED of SMD type display with 2.5 pixel pitch, measuring 28 feet in length and 18 feet in height, creating an impressive 400-inch diagonal screen in an approx 400-seater auditorium, which transforms this auditorium into state-of-the-art venue capable of hosting high-impact presentations, meetings, and entertainment programs with superior visual performances. This LED provides high resolution and clarity, which ensures sharp and detailed visual even from close viewing distances. Second, vibrant colors and brightness of the screen makes the content stand out even well lit environment. Seamless integration on a robust structure with precise alignment for a smooth and bezel-free display. We have used reliable control system in this project with a professional video processor to easy content management and switching during live events. Thank you for watching this video. For any requirements, please contact Next Tech AV Solutions.